Hey everybody, are you ready to see what's in the latest Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead? I know I am. Let's jump in. Hey friends, here's the new Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead, and the theme this month is Vintage Vineyard. This is perfect for me because I love a glass of wine when I'm working on a beaded project in the evening. Here's the postcard with the theme and a story to inspire your work. The first bag has vintage Baroque glass pearls, 17mm glass peacock hexagons in crystal matte and black Maria, glass peacock circles and rectangles in wine and beige, round tube and pear-shaped lamp beads. The tube and pear are opaque jet. Wow. Here are 3 vials of Matubo Czech Ginkgo 2-hole beads in lime and neon lemongrass, French rose and brown iris, and shadows in champagne. This clam has glass amethyst flower beads, a large heart charm, and Czech candy ovals in turquoise with gold specks and some 8mm faceted Czech glass beads with an AB coating. Here's an Earth Jewels strand of tiger eye squares with rounded corners. This burgundy bag has glass floral ovals, 14mm ruby nuggets, 8mm glass stars in red, and light smoke tapas donuts. Here are some huge 17mm bronze donuts, assorted pressed glass, and 12mm amber matrix nuggets. An 8-inch strand of heavy Czech glass pearls in gunmetal. This would be an amazing necklace. Add some chain or knotted cord and it's ready to wear. I really appreciate when John Bead includes their Crystal Lane DIY twisted bead strands. All the beads match and it's easy to design a project with everything included. Not sure why, but these metal beads always make me so happy. They look antique and handmade, and I also love how light they are. Green is my favorite color, and this selection is doing it for me. We have striped glass peanuts in crystal, black, and green, aqua tube lamp beads, 12mm stone wash nuggets, and 10mm turquoise glass. Metal beads and findings are always fun to incorporate in your work, and here are some matte silver dog bone beads, gold lanyard hooks, heart charms, and nickel-free tube beads. This jet black Czech rhinestone collar is amazing and ready to wear. We also have vintage rhinestone rounds and silver wire. This bag has red glass cabochons, curved metallized rectangles in antique gold, and metallized fancy hearts. 5 meters of faux suede lacing, 2 silver cameo sliders, and of course the collector sticker and button with this month's theme. Not sure about you, but when I open this box, I am always inspired to start making something. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for you.